Today we got a video from Street Law, and the title of the video is Enraged Woman Refused to Take a Cash Refund Ends Badly.
On July 12, 2025, officers responded to a Family Dollar store after reports of a woman causing a disturbance.
What's going on?
I need my money back on my card. That's what's going on.
For what?
I need my money back on my card that I spent here. Refund. It's called a refund.
And what did you purchase and when did you purchase it?
A pack of gum right now. Not even 5 minutes ago. Haven't even walked out the store.
Basically,
I need my money.
told her.
So what were you doing to damage stuff before
I ain't
paying?
touched in here. It's cameras. Run them.
So basically, she's
you.
trying to get cash back. Yes, she was a penny short. He asked her.
Refund.
She was short on money?
Asked him,
I
can he
don't
get cash
She
or
ain't
penny
got my
cash?
money.
He told her, yeah. She went to the car, got the penny, and came back. And when she came back, now
He
she told her
said no. So I said I want a refund.
And he want to act like he can't get her no refund.
So give me my refund.
Did she ever pay for anything?
Yes.
She bought these packs of gum and got cash back, but we can't do a refund on cash.
She just called her manager. Her manager said refund. That's what she's sitting here doing on my kid, on my dead mother.
If they're saying that they can't do refunds on cash back, then
Her
they can't
general
do it.
manager, she just got off the phone with. That's why she just
Don't get a
listen.
refund.
That's why she
Okay.
just searched in the garbage for that receipt. She's sitting there doing the refund. She's saying she can't do nothing because you're here.
No, I.
She was just finna refund me my money. And my line, you've been standing right here this whole time. She been typing in this thing. She
Can you
finna
refund the gum, just
refund.
not the cash back?
Correct.
Okay. So it sounds like she can refund you for the
She
gum.
can refund me my whole thing. She just called the manager. On this little device right here, she just called.
It sounds like
Set
she
in
can
that room
refund you
and
for the
call.
gum, but not the
Listen, I need
cash
my
back.
money. Listen, I don't want nobody talking about.
Well, wait now. So where's the money then? Because if you know you do cash refunds or you do cash, when you do cash back, they charge you whatever it is plus like a little fee or whatever. It might be $1 fee or something like that. So for example, let's say you buy $1 pack of gum and you want to do a $20 cash back. It might actually end up costing you, $23, $24, right? It's the pack of gum plus the $20. That's what they're going to charge your card. So if she's saying, well, I can only give you money back for the gum, then where's the cash? Did she get the cash? Because if she didn't get the cash, where's the cash? The cash got to come back on the card or something because it was debited off the card. So we got to keep listening. But so far, that's what it sounds like what she's talking about. And I would be saying the same thing. Well, where's the cash at?
That money came off my card, and I need it back on my card. Just like that manager just said, find the receipt and refund her stuff. She gonna find the receipt and refund me my money. Don't know what to say.
What's your name?
None.
Okay, well, they want you trespass from here, so I don't give me your
Okay,
name.
once I get my money, I will be trespassing. I don't even live on this.
Well, I need your name to trespass you.
Once I get my money, you will get my name.
That's not how that
Once I
works.
get my money, you will get my name.
What's your name? You're with her?
Nope, he not with me. He don't know me.
Her 10's still down there. She
What's your drag here?
She basically got the cash back and it's still.
Oh, there. This is Officer Jess.
I want my money on my
She just
card.
told them to say that. Ain't nobody stupid.
Okay.
On my kids. Like, make
heard
this shit make sense.
I just heard.
I'm not slow.
She got the cash.
I don't got nothing. I don't got nothing. It's cameras. It's cameras.
Did she get the cash?
She don't got nothing because they said that they can't do the cash back or whatever. That's the whole problem.
No. It's not in my hand. Just like I swipe my card, it's not in my hand.
Here.
That's not mine. My money was on hers.
They're saying this is yours.
My money was on
Well, this
hers.
is what
That's
you
in my
got.
drawer. That's not mine.
Okay.
That's called stealing.
Well, here's the thing.
That's called stealing.
This is what they got for you right now.
I need refund. My money on my
Are
card.
they going to refund it?
No, they can't refund
Yes,
the
they
cash.
can. Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Yes,
Okay.
they can. Yes, they can.
Nope.
So we need your name so we can trespass
I
you.
don't know my name, and I don't
Okay.
got no
All
ID.
right, put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
You cannot listen.
Stop. Don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. You're not going to cooperate?
No, I ain't tripping. I don't got no name though. Get my phone back.
No, we'll take it. Thank you.
I need that.
No, you don't. You're not with her.
Get my keys.
She's not with you.
Get my keys.
He said he's not with you.
Yes, he is with me.
Get up.
Yes, he is with me.
Get up.
Give my phone to my boyfriend. Give my phone to my boy. Record this, babe.
Get up.
Cause all this over my money.
Get up.
Okay.
Get the keys, babe.
You're making this more difficult for yourself.
Stand up. Walk.
I'm not making shit difficult. I got scoliosis. You
Oh
pulling
my
hair?
goodness.
You pulling my hair?
Stop.
You pulling my hair?
Turn around. Now.
Turn around for my money. Turn around for my money. Turn around for my money. I got scoliosis. I want you to know that.
All right, turn around. You're
I
gonna
got
get sprayed.
scoliosis.
Turn around. You're gonna
I
get
got
sprayed.
scoliosis.
Turn around. You're gonna get sprayed.
Hey, just let them put you on the hand.
For my money, let's make this shit
Turn
make
around.
sense.
Put your hands
And
behind
make
your
sure
back.
you come up to the police station. My head is on the ground, sir.
Well, then stop.
your hands
Behind your
behind
back.
your
I'm not even moving. I'm not even moving. I'll be out today. Y'all tripping. All this over my money. Let's make
They
this
gave
shit
you
make-
your money.
No, the lady just said that they can refund me. That's what I'm saying. Where my money? Where my money?
Nah, I was with you in the beginning, but now, no. The store, no. They charge you for the gum. They probably didn't have it in that register. They got the money out the other register or whatever, and they were trying to hand you your $10 that you tried to get a cash back on or whatever, like, and you still didn't want to take it. No, we can't. No, this ain't gonna work. No, take your ass to jail. They tried to give you your money. In the beginning, I'm with you, because I'll be mad too. Like, what? I thought it was the case of you can't give me my money, so you have to refund me, but you can only refund me for the gum. Well, where the hell is the goddamn money? Because you debited X amount of dollars off of my card. I would be pissed too. That's how the cash back go. But no, they had your money for you. They was willing to give you your money, and you just being hard-headed for no reason. No, take your ass to jail, man. Then you want to play little stupid games talking about, oh, he not with me. He not with me. Oh, get my phone, babe. Get my phone, babe. Oh, yeah, get my phone, babe. Oh, I thought he wasn't with you. What you talking? See, yeah, y'all playing too many games.
I tried to give it to you.
I bet you gonna take it.
I didn't take it.
Let's make this shit make sense.
All you did is have to give us your name, huh?
I know what I have to give you, but all I have to do is refund me my money like
They
the
gave you
manager.
your money.
Listen, is y'all gonna listen or not? Oh my damn, my mom just died. The manager said that they can refund me my
Tracy.
money. The manager just said that they can
Yeah.
refund it. I'm telling you she did before you came in. Ask him. She said it. I promise you.
Right, here, listen
I
to me.
promise you, G.
Listen
I
to
promise
me.
you, sir.
They had the money.
Listen. Okay, look, I went in. I was getting cash back. Right? I was trying, my goal was to get $20 cash back. They told me I could not get 20, only 25. I told the man, I said, I only have $12 left on the car. He said,
Right.
take $150 to charge. I said, I have the penny in the car. He said, you can go get it. I went to go get the penny. I went back in. The man said, oh, well, with cash back, you cannot use any change. You have to use the money that's on the car. I said, I'm short a penny. I just asked you this before I left out.
So they had it. Hold on. So they had a $10 bill and a penny with it.
Yeah, no. It was supposed to be 10 cents.
Okay.
It was supposed to be 10 cents. The $10 bill came from the first time I did cash back. If you listen, they said I could not get the whole 20 off, only 25. I didn't have 25. I had 24. I had $24 and change.
Okay.
So I took off 10, it took 12.04. And I was trying to take off the other 10, but I was short a penny.
Okay.
The man said I could go get the penny out of the car.
Right.
I went to go get the penny and I came back and he said he changed his mind. He said I couldn't.
Okay.
He said I couldn't. So I said, can I get a refund? He said no. I said, well, can you go get the manager? Because I know for a fact I can get a refund as long as I got my receipts. They called the manager. The manager said, yeah. The man with the glasses, Paul, called y'all. The police, he said, he don't got time for this and all of that. Called the police. I said, call. I'm not doing nothing.
So I talked to the manager on the phone. She said she couldn't refund you the cash
Yeah,
back.
she said that now because you was here. I'm telling you.
She had the $10 for you.
I'm telling you, if you wouldn't have never came, I swear to God, I was finna get my refund. She was putting it in the computer. She just looked in the garbage for the receipt for 5 minutes. I'm telling you, they just reprinted the receipt and everything.
Okay, I'm telling you what the manager told me. She said that she can't refund the cash back.
Listen,
she could give you the cash.
She was about to refund it until she saw you, and I just said, you finna refund my money? She said, I have to wait to see what she say. She pointed directly at you. That was the overlay for the underplay. I don't care about being trespassed from here. I don't live on this side. I just wanted my money back on my car so I can go to Shells and get the whole 20 off. That's it, that's all. I just wanted my money on my car so I could go take the whole 20 off. I didn't care about the store. I didn't damage nothing in the store. I didn't touch nobody in the store. The man just grabbed me by my shoulder and my neck. And I told him to let me go. Because if I hit him, y'all going to be saying that I hit him.
Well, if you hit him.
But he can hit me. He can grab up on me.
No one says that.
Like, make this make sense. I just wanted my money on my car.
Right, no, I get that. But you also have to understand where we're coming from.
I do understand where y'all coming from.
When you're saying you're not going to cooperate with us, you're not going to give us any information.
Because I wanted my money.
Hold on, I understand that. But we can't control how they get your money back to you. I can't control that, okay?
Yeah.
So
they was gonna refund it. They was gonna refund it.
That could be possible. I don't know.
They didn't want to refund it because they was waiting on her ass or whatever she said. That's weird though. She was just gonna refund it. That's so weird. I just wanted my money on my car.
Where do you live? You said you live
I
overseas?
live on Davenport side.
Okay.
I came here to get cash back.
Okay.
My boyfriend finna get ready and go to work. I call him in there because, I mean, I know I'm black and they white, and I mean, they be lying sometimes, which is understandable. So I call him in there so allow me. They did it before.
All right.
Not here, but in general. Like, I don't know. I just wanted my money back on my car.
No, I get that.
And she was about to do it. That's all I'm saying. She was about to do it.
Right.
I do kind of understand where she coming from. But on the other end of things, you really not locked up for this incident right here. You kind of locked up because you're not trying to identify yourself and all of that type of stuff. I could see the little mix up with this family, with this cash back thing. I could see the mix up. But at the end of the day, I mean, if you don't got the whole thing to do it all at once, you're going to be spending more in fees than if you was to go to the ATM. Because in every little town and, little hoods and stuff like that, they got corner stores and stuff like that I don't know where everybody else live, but they got corner stores where they have an ATM just as like a thing to just get people to come in or whatever, where they don't charge a lot on the fees. It might be 99 cents just to use the ATM, and you can find spots like that in the hood easily, 99 cents, because this family going to Family Dollar and getting cash back in general, it's gonna cost you $1 to do it. So if she wasn't able to do it in one shot, she would have had to do it in 2 shots. So, and she had to buy something. So she had to buy the gum, which was $170 something, and she got to do it in 2 shots, which is $1 each time for the $10 and $10. So you spending $3-4. You could have found an ATM that was cheaper than that. That's gonna cost you less than doing it like this, but you're not thinking.
She walked in. Now they got my $10. Sorry. I got it.
He's got it. He got it. Okay. Did you give this other officer your name, hon?
Corey. I don't need to go to jail.
No, you're not going to go to jail.
I'm close to getting my kids back. I'm
No.
in the system.
Right.
my kids coming home, and they see this, they not gonna send my kids home.
All right, just put your foot in real quick, hon, okay? You don't have a driver's license on you, do you?
I don't know how to drive.
You don't know how to drive? Okay. Hon, do you live in Davenport now, or where do you live?
I live in Davenport now.
Okay, what's your address in Davenport?
It's my cousin's address, it's not mine.
Okay, well, that's okay. Okay, so you're not going to go to jail, okay? You're going to be released right here, okay? But you are going to be issued a notice to appear for resisting.
That's going to his house?
No.
He changed the address?
No. This I'm just giving to you. That's it. Nothing's going to any houses, okay? So all it is you have to make sure you go to court on the 18th of August. Are you still going to be in town? Okay. Just make sure you go to court. It's just a misdemeanor charge. You're not going to go to jail. Nothing's going to the house of the address you gave me, okay, hon? This is just what we got to do for today, okay? So you get the trespass for here, and then this just to make sure you go to court, okay? All right, hon. Go ahead and step out for me, okay? So it's just your copy, okay? So make sure you go to that court date, okay? All right, guys, take care.
The woman was issued a citation for obstructing and resisting arrest and was also trespassed from the store. Let me know your thoughts in the
This is a good outcome. Don't get me wrong, she was acting like an ass, okay? She was acting like an ass, and all of that wrestling with her and all in there and stuff, she was acting like an asshole, okay? But the whole story, when you really get the whole story and you get all pieces and stuff like that, I can understand her frustration. On the other end, she has to conduct herself completely differently than that, because that's going to get you a bad outcome. You know, and I think the officers, when they heard the story and everything too, and you really broke it down, I think that's why this was an outcome, because in other spots, they taking you to jail. You know what I mean? They gonna go through the whole, just because, you know what I mean? They taking you to jail. But I think these officers did a great job. You know, she could have easily have went to jail. Yeah. But I think when you hear the whole story, everything does make sense. I can see her frustration, the store, you know, but on the other end, she got to be smart enough to, why are you going to keep doing cash back? You going to be spending $1 each time to do the cash back. Like, so that don't even make sense. And then you got to buy gum. You have to buy something and even to do cash back. So that's why she brought gum, because it's like one of the cheapest things that you can buy. Damn, imagine that. Gum is like, what they said they spent $1 something. Man, growing up, gum used to be like 25 cents. Get you to pack a little, what they got, the spearmint joint, juicy fruit. Yeah, Big Red. You know, them joints used to be like 25 cents. Now it's almost $2. That shit is crazy, man. But personally, I'm not a gum guy too much anyway. I'm a mint guy. You know what I mean? I like my mints, you know. But I can't just be sitting there, all the jaw action just, I'm like, nah, I'm not doing jaw moving crazy. Like, nah. Hey, yo. All right, I'm out of here, y'all. I'm out.